Rugged streets and icy mountain trails finally converge into one platform. Meet the Board Drop, a hybrid training tool and immersive motion controller crafted from real recycled snowboards and skateboards. Designed to blur the lines between gaming and sport, Board Drop responds to every twist, turn, and lean using advanced motion tracking. Whether you're grinding out a digital halfpipe or enhancing real-world balance and core strength, it delivers a dynamic, full-body workout wrapped in LED-powered flair. Cradled in comfort and wrapped in intelligence, this newborn bassinet is designed to meet the needs of your baby from day 1 through 6 months. Built with SmartSense technology, it instinctively listens for your baby's cries and reacts in real time to soothe them, offering gentle motion that mimics the comfort of being held. Whether it's nap time or nighttime, this bassinet adjusts to your baby's rhythm, providing a consistent, peaceful sleep environment. Sound and motion meet in the compact brilliance of the HaloAsis A1. This wireless speaker doesn't just play music, it brings every beat to life. Featuring a cutting-edge mini LED transparent display, the A1 visualizes lyrics in real time, turning your favorite songs into immersive visual performances. 3 high-fidelity sound units deliver rich, room-filling audio with crisp highs, deep lows, and everything in between. The Fantic X9 Cross Paddleboard Pump is a versatile, high-performance air pump designed for various outdoor and recreational activities. Capable of reaching up to 75 psi, it offers efficient inflation and deflation for paddleboards, kayaks, tents, and more. The auto-off feature ensures convenience, stopping the pump when the desired pressure is achieved. This reduces the risk of overinflation while providing a smooth and accurate experience. VelaFlame is redefining ambient lighting with its smart, flameless candlelight technology. This cutting-edge light bulb captures the essence of traditional candlelight, offering a flickering effect that mimics a real flame while ensuring safety and energy efficiency. Designed for versatility, VelaFlame allows you to adjust the light's color to match any mood, from a soft, warm glow to a vibrant burst of color. Its built-in Wi-Fi capability seamlessly integrates into your smart home, giving you full control from anywhere. Elevate your workspace and entertainment with the Samsung Smart Monitor M8, where cutting-edge technology meets sleek design. With its slim profile and modern aesthetics, this monitor not only enhances your setup but also provides unmatched versatility for both work and play. Featuring a built-in IoT hub, it seamlessly integrates with your smart home devices, ensuring a more connected experience. Stream 4K HDR content directly from native apps, immersing yourself in rich, vibrant visuals. Elevate your workspace with the FlexStand Pro, a versatile monitor stand designed to enhance both play and work environments. Featuring an ergonomic design, it offers effortless electric height adjustment, allowing you to tailor your setup for optimal comfort and posture. The built-in ambient LED lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for both focused work and immersive gaming sessions. Equipped with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 expansion ports, this stand keeps all your devices connected and organized. Bloom Kitchen revolutionizes the way you can grow your own nutrient-dense spirulina in the comfort of your home. With its innovative countertop appliance, this system offers a simple, sustainable solution to cultivate this powerful superfood. Equipped with a nutrient tablet and a carefully engineered light and heat regulation system, the Bloom appliance ensures optimal conditions for spirulina growth. The process is fully controlled via a user-friendly smartphone app, allowing for real-time monitoring and adjustments. When your day demands power without compromise, the EcoFlow River 3 delivers. This compact yet capable power station holds a 245 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery that brings high-efficiency performance with enhanced durability and safety. Whether you're out in the backcountry or riding out a storm at home, the River 3 offers a stable 300-watt AC output, surging up to 600 watts for heavier tools or appliances. Built for a new era of mobility, the AUVO Lirpe R1 redefines what an electric scooter can be. As the world's first solar-charging electric scooter, it sets a high bar with cutting-edge innovation and practical design. Featuring a removable 36-volt/7.8-amp-hour battery, the Lirpe R1 allows convenient, separate charging, portable, secure, and effortless. Even better, the detachable battery doubles as a rugged outdoor light. Beneath the punishing sun, relief doesn't come easy, unless you're wearing the U-Quality wearable air conditioner cooling vest. Designed for peak performance in brutal heat, this advanced cooling vest drops your core body temperature fast, up to 33 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient, starting from the spine outward. Feel the chill sweep across your back in just 3 seconds, transforming sweltering conditions into manageable moments. Whether you're working a construction site or grinding through summer shifts outdoors, this vest turns overheating into high-efficiency cool. The Fine Day 3.0 Aluminum Edition keyboard combines nostalgic design with modern functionality, offering a unique typing experience. With Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, it can pair with up to 3 wireless devices and 1 USB connection, allowing seamless multitasking. You can use both Bluetooth and USB connections simultaneously, managing up to 4 devices at once. The keyboard features an ergonomic 9.2 2-degree cradling angle, ensuring comfortable typing for long periods without straining your neck. When the weather turns brutal and the terrain gets unforgiving, you don't adapt. You outmatch it. Built for those who move with intent, the Dark Heat 2.0 tactical heated outerwear is engineered with a purpose-driven philosophy. Every stitch counts. Every feature earns its place. Designed using 4-way stretch waterproof fabric and reinforced with a high neck collar, this all-season tactical jacket offers a blend of rugged performance and urban precision. The tailored fit ensures clean lines without sacrificing mobility, while the modular design integrates seamlessly with your lifestyle. Sculpt your strength without the boundaries of a gym. The Unitree Pump Max brings studio-level resistance training into your living room, your backyard, or wherever your day takes you. No bulky racks or dumbbells, just smart engineering packed into a sleek, portable device weighing under 2.4 pounds. The Pump Max features a built-in motor that adjusts resistance up to 44 pounds with precision, offering concentric and eccentric control so every rep counts. Anchor it to doors, furniture, or even your foot. It adapts to your environment effortlessly. Built for rugged terrain and refined taste, the Z-Lounger Ultra Tough Air Seat raises the standard for portable seating. Whether you're posted up riverside, lounging at camp, or tailgating in the lot, this seat fuses field-ready toughness with an ergonomic profile that mirrors high-end indoor furniture. The advanced drop-stitched construction provides rigid support while maintaining an inflatable design, delivering 17 inches of elevated seating that doesn't sag, bend, or buckle. Engineered for seamless transitions, the DockBook Vertical Dock reinvents how you use your MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. With a precision-fit enclosure carved from solid machined aluminum, this vertical dock offers more than aesthetics. It's a desktop command center built for speed and efficiency. Once your MacBook Pro slides into place, the DockBook's custom internal electronics instantly redirect all connections to the rear, minimizing cable clutter. Each port supports data transfer rates up to 40 gigabits per second. The Ivation Automatic Rechargeable Wine Opener offers an efficient, elegant solution for wine lovers. This sleek electric cork extractor makes uncorking bottles a breeze, providing convenience with every use. Powered by a high-capacity lithium battery, it effortlessly uncorks up to 50 bottles on a single charge. The LED light indicator adds a touch of sophistication, making it easy to monitor the process. Craving something cold and creamy without the wait or mess? The Dash My Mug ice cream maker delivers single-serve frozen desserts with precision and ease. After freezing the base for 24 hours, you can whip up ice cream, sorbet, gelato, or frozen yogurt in as little as 20 minutes. Just load your ingredients and press start. It's built for convenience and creativity, offering a dedicated ingredient chute that lets you stir in cookies, fruit, or chocolate chips to make each batch uniquely yours. A well-balanced kitchen isn't complete without a reliable tool for prepping fresh produce, and the Svebake stainless steel salad spinner answers that call with polished precision. Built with a 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl, this spinner brings both durability and capacity, letting you handle large batches of lettuce, spinach, or fruit without skipping a beat. Its transparent lid reveals the action inside, while the one-press stop button grants immediate control. No overspinning, no hassle. Crafted with precision, the HoverPen 3.0 is a revolutionary writing instrument that blends luxury with modern functionality. Standing as a symbol of cutting-edge design, it combines the classic art of fountain pens with a futuristic, free-flowing experience. Perfectly balanced in midair by a powerful magnetic ring, this pen turns your desk into a gallery of modern art, where form meets function in an extraordinary way. Modular by design, the HoverPen offers a seamless experience with interchangeable fountain and rollerball nibs, making it adaptable for any writing preference. Suna is a sleek and efficient solar light designed to enhance your living space while harnessing the power of the sun. Its unique, curved design, crafted from durable brass aluminum, mimics the horizon, maximizing surface area for sun-power solar cells to absorb sunlight effectively. Measuring 31.5 inches in length, Suni is mounted securely in front of your window using 2 sturdy steel wires. Clarity meets control in every inch of your workspace with SecDeck's ultra-wide, high-definition touchscreen. This isn't just a display, it's an interface that transforms how you interact with your tools, files, and creative flow. Measuring over 17 inches diagonally, the panel delivers crisp resolution and finger-sensitive navigation, letting you glide through tasks with zero friction. Slide between full-screen main views with seamless transitions, maximizing your layout with every swipe. The Duo Monitor Foldable Smart KVM offers an impressive display range, enhancing your productivity with its 16 to 22.8-inch foldable screen. Equipped with dual 4K/2.5K resolution at 144 Hz, this monitor delivers exceptional clarity and smooth visuals for work or play. The Smart KVM functionality allows seamless control of multiple devices, streamlining your workflow without any lag. Cleaning your ears just leveled up. With high-definition visuals and intuitive design, this isn't your typical ear cleaner. It's a fully guided experience built for precision, comfort, and peace of mind. The onboard HD camera follows the natural curve of your ear canal, making each cleaning session smarter and more accurate than ever. Whether you're at home or packing light for a trip, this tool transforms ear hygiene into something you'll actually look forward to. Radiating warmth and elegance, this eco-conscious heater redefines what it means to heat a space naturally. Built from terracotta and powered by bioethanol, it spins a living vortex of fire, bold, contained, and magnetic. More than a heat source, it's a visual centerpiece, delivering both performance and atmosphere without relying on gas lines or electricity. At its core lies an aerodynamic marvel, a terracotta body engineered to accelerate airflow and amplify thermal lift. Introducing the UNG self-powered purifying showerhead, a revolutionary innovation in personal care. This advanced showerhead eliminates the need for filters, harnessing the natural flow of water to purify it with every use. Experience cleaner and smoother water that not only improves the quality of your shower, but also benefits your hair and skin. The UNG showerhead's water-saving technology ensures efficient usage, reducing waste while maintaining optimal performance. The NanoLeaf 4 DTV Sync camera and smart addressable gradient light strip kit transforms your viewing space into an immersive lighting experience designed for home theaters and console gaming. Compatible with TVs and monitors up to 85 inches, this kit integrates seamlessly into your setup, offering an enhanced atmosphere with synchronized lighting that reacts to the action on screen. The included camera tracks your display's content, adjusting the light strip's colors in real time. Even the most traditional bedroom can be transformed into a high-functioning space when this innovative side table enters the scene. Merging design with technology, this piece redefines what a nightstand should be. It includes a built-in cooling drawer, perfect for keeping drinks, snacks, or medication at the right temperature without leaving your bed. Whether placed beside your bed or your living room chair, the wireless charging pad on top keeps your phone powered without clutter. Bluetooth speakers are neatly integrated, offering immersive sound without requiring separate gear. Katas has redefined portability and performance with the Mind, a powerful yet compact device designed for the modern creator. Weighing just 0.99 pounds and smaller than an A4 sheet, the Mind delivers impressive mobility without compromising on power. Equipped with a 5.55 watt-hour battery, it offers up to 25 hours of sleep mode, ensuring you're always prepared for your next creative challenge. When desk clutter drains your focus and cables tangle your routine, there's finally a smarter solution that powers through the chaos. Meet the charging mat that transforms your workspace into a wireless command center. Engineered with a large charging area, this mat utilizes high-frequency electromagnetic resonance charging technology to deliver fast, efficient power across multiple devices. Whether you're topping off your phone, earbuds, or smartwatch, its Qi charging capability ensures seamless compatibility with today's most popular wireless devices. The Talon Swivel Chair is a robust and versatile outdoor seating solution designed for comfort and convenience. Its innovative 360-degree rotation feature allows you to enjoy the outdoors from any angle, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, or outdoor events. Despite its sizable design, resembling a single sofa, this chair is surprisingly foldable, providing easy portability for those who value both space and practicality. Step into the future of compact control with the M1 by MonsterTech, a pocket-sized powerhouse engineered for serious users. Designed for environments where speed and versatility matter, the M1 eliminates the chaos of juggling remotes, cards, and interfaces. Thanks to its integrated infrared technology, it functions as a universal controller, consolidating everything from your TV to your air conditioner into one seamless device. No countertop multi-tools perform quite like ChoppingBot.